Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, we need to simply go to search bar, type here cmd, then right click here and select run as administrator, select S. Now we need to execute some commands here, so type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. Type in netsh winsock reset and hit enter. Then type in netsh winsock reset space catalog and hit enter. Then type in netsh intip reset log dot txt and hit enter. Then type in ipconfig space slash release and hit enter. Then type in ipconfig space slash renew. This will take some time to complete the process. We need to wait for it, and once done, type in ipconfig space slash flush dns and hit enter. Now type exit, then simply right click here on start icon, go to device manager. Now expand the network adapters, right click on the particular connection, select properties, go to go to drivers tab, click on update driver and select search automatically for drivers. Then close all windows one by one. Then go to search bar, type here control panel, then set view by as category, click on network and internet, select network and sharing center, then open connection, click on properties, select internet protocol version 4, that is IPv4, then click on properties. Then we need to set this, use the following DNS server addresses 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. then click on OK. Close all windows one by one and simply restart your system and your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively, and yeah, you're good to go.